Ayan, pasensya na po sa nag-request ng awiting ito. Sa totoo lang po kasi, hindi ko po alam itong awiting na ito. Pero dahil po sa ito ay request mo, ayan, try po natin. At maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. There's a lover's moon tonight as I look back over my shoulder. All the stars are shining bright, just like the nights when I used to hold her. She's out there somewhere under the lover's moon. Lover's moon, won't you shine on me? I'm dancing with a memory. Wish I may, I wish I might have one last chance to hold her tight. And she's waiting, I know she's waiting, I know she waits for me under the lover's moon. Ay, shoutout po sa inyong lahat na nandiyan sa International Music, OFW Group of Music, Singapore, Hong Kong, at iba pa po na nandiyan sa ating mga group ng OFW. There's a lover's moon tonight, shining down on top of this moon. So many souls are in its light, but for me there is just one girl, and she's waiting. I know she's waiting, I know she waits for me under the lover's moon, under the lover's moon. Under the lover's moon. Once again, thank you so much for the request, Ma'am Geraldine Caparas. Alright, thank you so much po sa pag-request ng awiting ito. Alright, kumusta po ang lahat ng OFW?